Add an if statement that checks if every platform detection rule is true. Make sure to use the every method for this. So it is referring to the array platform detection rules. So we would have to access that inside in our if condition. Before that, we will have to make our if condition. And inside the parentheses is where we always input our condition. In our case, the accessing of the array, which is the platform detection rules. And then the instruction says is that we have to make sure to use the every method for this. So we interpolate the method every. So again, every is a method used in arrays which checks all the elements inside the array and pass in or check if it passes a condition whether it is true or false. And that's it. So we have interpolated our every method, and we would have to access first our individual elements rather. So we would have to create a callback function in here, a parentheses, an arrow pointing to the right, and then perhaps a curly braces. And inside this array, the platform detection rules consist of rules, correct? So since we are to access the individual rules, then we would name it rule. And then let's get rid of the curly braces to uh, explicitly tell explicit implicitly tell JavaScript rather that it would return the rule itself. So let's take a little bit of step back and explain. So we have accessed the array called platform detection rules and then interpolated the every method. So it would check inside the array and then check all the elements inside the array, whether if it is true or false. And inside the every method is that we have a callback function here, a parameter of rule, which returns itself with an implicit return of arrow, which is this one. Anyways, it implicitly returns the rule and then it returns itself. Here it is, which is essentially saying that if the rule inside the platform detection rules is the rule itself, then it would be true. However, if the rule inside the array platform detection rules is not the rule itself, otherwise it would be false, which is essentially checking if every platform detection rule is true. So I hope you get that right, and that would be it.